Hey guys, what is up? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is the 8th of February and we're going to take a look at BTC, BCH and BSV. So Elon Musk, Tesla, has bought a 1.5 billion dollars worth of BTC, and because of that the price of BTC is up. It's up 50%. When I read the news, I read the news and then I checked the prices, and I was expecting a higher jump, um, because that's a big deal. But probably because um, Elon Musk is always talking about Bitcoin and now Dogecoin, and so probably it wasn't a huge surprise to many people. Yeah, so the markets are up today. BTC up 15%. It hit a new all-time high, and yeah, there's not much to uh, to analyze when a big company is buying BTC. It's not the first company, but um, it will push the price higher, probably much higher than this. What is going to be priced in probably is the fact that other corporations will follow Tesla's lead. There are many companies sitting on a lot of cash, and uh, obviously hedge funds as well. And is it possible that they're going to buy BTC as well or not? And that's going to the price action in the next days will be the market deciding how confident they are that that even more money will flow into BTC. Um, I'm it's high. I'm expecting it to go higher. However, you should be careful, because correction. We already had a correction here, a 30% correction, but uh, usually I would expect it to go to much higher and then go maybe 50, 60,000 and then do a correction. But we don't know because big players are involved. Things are kind of changing now, so yeah, I would still wait for corrections instead of buy the high. Let's take a look at BCH. BCH, it's in an upward trend, but I'm expecting a lower high here. I don't think we will uh, go up higher than this and hit a new high. Um, but it's a possibility. But I think it has done a big move, and it's kind of getting kicked out of the top 10. What is it even now? 12. It's possible that it's gonna get kicked out of the top 15 and top 20 as well. So I'm expecting it to go sideways, mostly sideways, and be range bounded at this ranges. So I'm not seeing a clear trade for me here. Let's take a look at BSV. BSV, every time it goes near these levels, because we have hit this target so many times, like, or even in the past, like it has been it has hit 195 so often that it's kind of the point where it decides if it wants to go higher or not. So whenever we get close to these ranges, the volume spikes, goes higher, and we are close again. And what happens when you hit resistance or support line again and again is that every time you hit it, the weaker it becomes. So that's also what happened here. People weren't expecting it to go higher. They expected a rejection here, and so when it went higher, kind of FOMO and yeah, buy pressure kicked in. Unfortunately, it didn't last. It went much higher than expected, but it didn't last long. But yeah, that's a good thing about BSV, that it's hitting this line again and again, and it's going to break above it with force. Let's yeah, but a problem would be that we also have a line here, and we are hitting this line way too much. So the same thing applies. This is a trend line, and uh, we don't want to hit it so many times, because it also becomes weaker the more we hit it. People start to lose confidence in it. So this is good because it's a quick rejection of the trend line. Here as well, the market quickly realized, okay, this is undervalued, it's the bottom, and the trend line was rejected here as well. Unfortunately, here not so much. It's possible that we go lower. I don't expect it. I would not bet on it, but at some point we need to reject the bottom and make a higher high. This looks good, but we need to take the new all-time high for new FOMO period, new buying, more volume, and that hasn't happened yet. Perhaps in a few days or even hours we will know more if this line is rejected again and we retest the trend line, or if it goes higher. Okay, to sum it up, I don't see a clear trade in BTC. I see a clear hold in BTC. I don't see a clear trade in BCH. It can go lower, it can reject this. This can be a double top, or it can be rejected at 550-ish. In BSV, I see a trade above 200 or 216. There could be a spike in volume and interest. So that's the closest thing to a trade that I see from the three coins. And that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.